Hello, assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and my dear learners. Welcome to back our English another class. Today I will introduce about my students. Introducing my students. Yeah, this is Sadiq Rahman. Here is in class 9. Sadiq Rahman. I only some questions. Only 10 questions only. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. My first questions on you. What is the name of your school?
My school name is Ilmuza Shuchita.
Okay. Second question on you. What is the name of your college?
My college name is Kugila Government
Government
College.
college. Okay. And third question on you. What is the name of your company?
My company name is Arigan Sierra.
Okay, and fourth question, Sonia, what is the name of your place?
My village name is Jarmakar.
Okay, and fifth question, Sonia, what is the name of your district?
My district name is Kumilla.
Okay, and sixth question, Sonia, what is the name of your institution?
My institution name is Ilmuza Shuchita.
Okay, and seventh question, Sonia, what is the name of your division?
My division name is Kumilla.
Okay, thank you. And what is the brand of your mobile phone?
My brand of my mobile phone is Tecno.
Okay, thank you so much. And where is your place located?
My village located in Jarmakar.
Devidar?
Kumilla.
Devidar Upajala, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Where is your shop situated?
My shop situated
At David.
at David.
Okay, thank you so much, and thank you, my dear viewers and learners. Thank you for watching our video class.